Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's the end of the first week in June, and the forecast is for very, very warm weather. And these poor cabbages, I don't know how they managed, but they're sitting here with no cover or protection, and that head got to weigh a pound. We got to get some of these up because they're thinking about getting a little pointy. Look at that. They just look magnificent. Ah. Before the caterpillars discover where these are, and the heat makes them split. Look at that. What a perfect. Now I know if you're up north you're growing these big old monster cabbages, but we get a very, very short season that cabbages are happy with. Here in Lawrenceville, Georgia, about the time the season gets really nice, the caterpillars show up, and that's the end of everything. So we're going to go down to another bed and pick some more.